Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. Okay, stay strong. Now we are going to learn again the same chapter. I think this is the third time we are learning this chapter. Yes, because I did not completed the explanation in one class. So let's start our class now again. Okay, we are learning the moral science lesson number 3, being obedient. Yes or no, my dears? Yes. So, in this chapter, we are learning how to be obedient, how to respect others, and which is correct, which is wrong. Why our elders will shout, is it good for us or is it not good? These all things we are learning from this chapter. Yes, I hope you will give your support to me to learn more. Yes, yes. Now see here again. From this story, I already started with you the story Narrow Escape. Yes, yes. Here there is two baby sisters. The name is given Weavings and Bonnie Beak, and her mother and their mother is Biggie Bird. Yes, yes. From this story, I explained you little. Yes, I will just give you the brief explanation again on them. Then I will continue with my last page. This is our first page of this chapter. Yes, yes. So there are two baby sisters. Their names are Weavings and Bonnie Beak, and their mother is Biggie Bird. She was teaching them how to fly, and when she was teaching, she said to the birds, don't fly higher height and fly with lower height. Okay? But use only the lower branches on this tree. Why? She said like that. Why? Because Biggie Bird also told the baby bird sisters at this level the tree is filled with leaves and the branches. If you fall also they will hold you, means they will not let you to fall. Who? Somebody is catching them? No, the leaves and the branches. Okay, then she suggested them what? Don't go higher than these. By mistake, if you fall from higher, the fall will be very bad. It may cause the death. So enjoy yourself, but don't forget my words. This is the way the mother said. Who is the mother here? Biggie Bird. Biggie Bird said to their baby birds. Okay, then they both sisters, na? Both sisters, they started flying and they made small race each other. In this race, all the time, Wings was winning. So automatically, Bonnie Beak got angry. Why? She feel jealous. Okay, why she is all the time winning? Why not me? So what she said to that? You are good only at this level. Only this small level you are big. But when you fly up, you will not reach me, means I will be the winner. Like that she said. Then Weaving said quickly, no, don't do like that. Mama said to us, till the lower height only we have to fly. But this one did not listen. Who? Bonnie Beak did not listen. Instead of that, she said, ah, okay, means you are using these words to stop me winning. Means you want to win all the time. You don't let me to win. This is what she said to them. Then Weaving screeched. Means what? No. She said no. Like so much, the birds how it will sneeze. Screeched means it will make some sounds. Yes, yes. Weaving screeched. No. But Bonnie Beak flew up. The wind grew stronger. The wind grew stronger, but she went even higher. But she did not listen to his sister. She just flying, flying. When she was flying, the wind came very strongly, but she did not scare. Still, she was flying higher than that. Suddenly, her little tail got stuck in a branch. What happened? All of a sudden, she got struck. Why? Because her tail stuck in the branch. It stopped her flight. It stopped her flight. So she banged her head on a branch. So what she did, she just banged her head on a branch. She hung there. She hung there, dizzy, and began to screech and wail. And she began to screech and wail. When she was stuck over there, she banged her head to the branch. When you bang your head strongly to the wall or somewhere, you know what is meant by dizziness. Is like a sea, you will be standing in one place, but around the world will be roaming around you. That feeling you will hear. And hung there. Hung means what? It was hanging over there and began to screech and wail, and she was crying. Then Grandpa Giraffe, you know Giraffe, this is the giraffe, yes, yes. Giraffe was grazing, grazing with their children and the grandchildren, with his children and grandchildren. What grazing? What it will graze? Grazing means what? Eating. It was eating the grass. Yes, yes. The whole giraffe family looked around from where was the sound coming. The whole giraffe family was looked around from where the sound was coming, and they were looking here and there. Weavings was very worried for her sister. Weavings felt very sad about her sister. Then what happened? Till here teacher taught you the day, yes? Yes, now here again. This is your last page, please. She peeped down and chirped. Grandpa Giraffe, your neck is so long. Please save Bonnie Beak. She is stuck up there. See here how she was asking. This is the sister. She was asking the giraffe grandfather. Grandpa Giraffe, please, your neck is very long. No, please, can you help my sister? She stuck there up. She was requesting the giraffe. Then giraffe Grandpa Giraffe stretched his long neck. He pushed away the leaves. He pushed the away the leaves till Bonnie Beak became free. Till Bonnie Beak. Okay. Leaves till Bonnie Beak became free. Even then, she could not come down on her own as she was too high. She pushed the leaves and she let the Bonnie Beak become free. But even though the Bonnie Beak unable to come down alone, okay, why? It was so high. It stuck there too much high and she's scared to come down. Then Grandpa Giraffe said, I will help you down. I will help you down, but first promise me that you will always obey your mother from now. If I hadn't come today, Panther would have got you. When you obey, it is for your good. Then Giraffe Grandpa agreed that, okay, I will help you to come down, to come down. But first promise me that. But you must promise me that you will always obey your mother. Means whatever your mother will say for you, that is your good. So you must obey your mother. If I did not come here, if I had not come today here, the panther, the panther means here, yes, it would have come and it will take you. Yes, would have got you. Panther means that, yeah, snake. That snake would have come and eat you. When you obey, it is your good. It is for your good only. When you are respecting elders, when you are obeying what they are saying, that means what? It is your good. It is your good. Grandpa Giraffe made Bonnie Big sit on top of his head. He brought her down gently. Okay, then Giraffe helped her to come down. How she let the bird sit on his head. See how she was sitting. Okay, see here. He brought her down gently, then he brought her slowly down. See how he was giving? The two sisters hugged. He brought her down gently. The two sisters hugged each other. Sorry. Okay. The two sisters hugged each other. They thanked Grandpa Giraffe by picking his face gently and happily. See, then when she came down, both sisters they hugged each other and they were saying thank you to the Grandpa Giraffe. They can talk, my dear? No. These are the birds. So it was picking his face gently and happily with happiness. It will bite means that is different. But here what? It just making. Understood? So it was a lesson to the baby birds. It was the lesson to the baby birds. It was a lesson to the baby giraffes. From where baby giraffes came? From this chapter, because she bought the children, grandchildren with the grandpa giraffe it came, yeah, for them. So in grandpa giraffe's families also, we must obey only for our own good. We obey only for our own good. Okay, this is the chapter for you. Being obedient means, from this what you learned, my dear, from this chapter, we must obey the elder words, and it is good for you. It is good for you, not to the parents or not to the teachers or not to the elders. It is your own good. Okay, I hope from today you will obey your parents, whatever they will say, that is good for you, my dears. Okay, understand? Love you. Thank you, dears. Thank you very much. This is your chapter. Be obedient. Okay, so when you come school, we can see you. Yes, with good change. I hope so. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear. God bless you, all of you. Okay, thank you. And we will meet you in the next class. Okay, bye.